To connect Commerce Sync to your Clover account, you will first need to install the Commerce Sync app. Select the More Tools option, and that will bring you to the Clover app market. You can search directly for Commerce Sync in the search bar, or select the app if displayed on the main app market homepage. Select the Connect button, which will then give you two options for the subscription tier you would like to install. You can select either plan to connect with QuickBooks Online. The difference between these two plans is that the Expert plan offers the option to transfer over the category detail from Clover, which the Essential plan does not provide. Select the appropriate plan for your business needs, then select the Accept and Install button. Select the Open App button to open up the Commerce Sync dashboard page. From here, you can connect to your accounting solution. Select the QuickBooks Online option, and that will begin the activation process. From here, you will log into your QuickBooks Online account. If you have multiple QuickBooks Online accounts, you will be prompted to select one that we will be connecting with. After selecting the QuickBooks account, you will be asked to authorize Commerce Sync to access your information. Click the Connect button to allow Commerce Sync to transfer sales information into your QuickBooks account automatically. After the authorization is completed, Commerce Sync will verify your information and settings. You should see green check marks displayed if there are no issues with the QuickBooks Online account. Click the Continue button to be brought to the dashboard page where you will see that Commerce Sync is currently connected. If you selected the Expert tier, you will be prompted to change the sales setting to select either the Sales by Category option, Sales by Label option, or a Single Income account. If you select the Single Income account option, you will need to reach out to the Commerce Sync support team in order to change it to the Sales by Category option. The category detail is the only current detailed information that we offer. The Commerce Sync app will not transfer line item detail, inventory cost, or cost of goods sold. These features may be added in the future, so stay tuned for future updates to the Commerce Sync app offering. Select Complete My Activation and your installation is done.